Magnet fishing with Grant. Come on, you have a boat. You should be decent at fishing. Check the other one. This might have just had the control arms in it. You got a fish. Hey, smart guy. The other end's the magnet.
Smart guy.
You hooked it. Yeah, but the other side's the magnet.
It really doesn't matter.
Yes. Okay, that needs to come out. Let's set it up here.
I'm gonna let it drip for a second.
Ooh! Ooh! AA, Ron! I have that on video. That's hilarious. Anybody want to buy a vet? It's not? Ooh, okay, don't sell it. I like this. I like those, though. Hey.
Bobby.
What's happening?
Gary. I'm Aaron. Good to meet you. You as well.
Aaron's cool.
It's 93, right? Are you? It is a 93. Yeah, I got a white on white on white. Oh, awesome. Not the 40th anniversary, but just the 40th anniversary.
Glenn's here. Hello, sir. Andre's fishing.
How you doing?
Magnet.
Good to see you. How are you? I'm doing good.
Hello, how are you?
Magnet fishing.
You, C4?
We have a bigger magnet.
Bob.
I think so.
We're
putting a battery in.
We are?
We are.
Fun.
Oh, it's such a pain. I just put a battery in mine. It's such a pain in the
Right. That's why I brought them here. They are.
They're just, I mean, you gotta get a little wrench and I mean, it's just so stupid.
It's the worst design.
It's just awful. And then it's got the side mount terminals, and then if you get all the panels off, you can't even.
I hate the side mount
I was
batteries.
trying to convert mine to a top post, but there's not enough room to do that either.
Can you just give me another bucket so I can pour half of this out?
Yes.
It's been dead for a while.